Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Avalanche, and today I'm going to show you how to swap between miles and kilometers for your display settings. So first you want to make sure the vehicle's on, which currently it's on as normal key here. And then we're going to be using these options here, your buttons to click through all your interface here. So we'll use this one. I just pushed it one time, and then to get from English to metric, which would be going miles to kilometers, you just push this check mark. So I'll push the check mark and then push it if you want it the other way. That's it. That's all I'm doing, just pushing this button. And then it just auto adjusts it each time. And then you can just, really don't have to do anything at this point. It'll go out of it, but you can swap between, I would say probably this one if you want to confirm on the miles. So yep. So now there's kilometers displayed versus miles. And then we'll swap it back because I'm in the United States. So and then yeah, I hit this, and then I hit this second one, and then this check mark goes between each option. But that's it. I hope that was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.